Hello Smart Homist. Today, we will learn how to connect your Echo Dot to your Wi-Fi and how to change to Wi-Fi connection on the device. If you're setting up your device, select Echo Dot from the device's menu. If you're setting up for the first time, the device will ask you for general permissions. Make sure that the Echo Dot is in setup mode. It will display an orange light to show that it's in the setup mode. On the next screen, select the device that you want to sync with Wi-Fi. The app will then search for the available Wi-Fi connections. After that, select your network and enter the password. The Echo Dot will prompt you once the Wi-Fi is connected successfully.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Then go back to the app and complete other settings. Now, if you want to change the Wi-Fi connection, follow the same steps again. Simply go to the Alexa app and select Echo Dot from the device's menu.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect and make sure that your phone is connected to the same network. Alexa will notify once the connection is successful. Now, complete the settings and you're good to go. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Smart Home for more useful tips and tricks.